Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 10 system for Volvo S60. 2011 to 2018 years. You can check this front UI, and it comes with special harness. This special harness will come with head unit together. Okay, and it comes with canvas LVDS canvas decoder box. This connects to harness. Okay. Okay, this is the front UI interface, built-in microphone, and this reset hole. It's volume control. You can check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You also can choose the logo. And change color. Any color you can adjust to this panel. Okay, all apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's built in YouTube. The Z-Link app for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the settings. About machine, you can check Android version is Android 10. Android 10 system. And PX6 chip. PX6. Okay. Storage 64 GB. Okay, first let me introduce the Bluetooth. It's built-in Bluetooth. And the pin code you can check this 40. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth. Click search. Pair connecting your phone. Your phone will get message from your phone. Please put 40. Okay, connected. Change the color and show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, this volume control. This is stream music from your phone. You can play music from USB. Header unit will come with two USB cable. This is USB driver, connect USB. Or you can play music automatically from USB 1. And it's built in DSPM-B file. Balance. Okay, this music and maybe change the, you can change logo. Belsee. Video disable for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. File settings, car settings, drum settings, turn on the watching video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.